Hi friends, welcome to our new episode of Government and Private Jobs for Diploma Mechanical 25th February 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities in government sector, private sector and opportunities in apprenticeship training. This week in this video, we are included 5 government jobs, 4 private jobs and 5 apprenticeship training. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. In this first government jobs. In government job, first job is supervisor draftsman at Security Paper Mill, Hoshangabad. Security Paper Mill, Hoshangabad, Madhya Pradesh is one of the 9 units under the Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited (SPMCL), a Schedule A Miniratna Category 1 Central Public Sector Enterprise Organization wholly owned by Government of India. Objective of the company is designing, manufacturing or printing security documents, currency and banknotes, non-judicial stamp papers, minting of coins, postage of stamps, etc. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Pay and allowances are 26,000 to 1 lakh in industrial DA pattern plus other allowances. Age limit is 30 years. Mechanical diploma holder can apply for the post of supervisor draftsman and supervisor technical safety. Application fee is 600 for general and 200 for SC/ST candidates. Selection process. Initially, candidates shall be called for an online examination. Selection to the post will be done on the basis of online examination, which will be of objective type. The final selection will be made on the basis of merit list as per marks obtained in the online examination only. How to apply? Candidates are advised to visit Security Paper Mill Hoshangabad's website as shown on screen and open the link under career for filling the online application form. Click on the option apply online on or before 12th March 2021. Direct link for the advertisement and online application can be seen at the screen, and all the website IDs and email IDs said in this video will be displayed on description also. Next is laboratory assistant at a Translational Health Science and Technology Institute. THSTI is a society registered under the Societies Registration Act and is also an autonomous institute of the Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Application fee for the post is 200 for general EWS OBC category and 100 for SC/ST candidates. Pay and allowances are 20,000 plus HRA. How to apply? Candidates are advised to visit the detailed application as shown on screen. Direct link for the advertisement and online application can be seen at the screen, and interested candidates can apply through it. Next is operator at Oil India Limited. Oil India Limited is a Navaratna public sector undertaking, is the pioneer and second largest national upstream oil and gas company with the pan-India presence and a growing global footprint. Oil is engaged in exploration, production and transportation of crude oil, natural gas and manufacture of LPG. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Mechanical diploma holder can apply for the post of LPG operator, drilling or workover operator, drilling or workover mechanic post. Consolidated salary is 18,400 per month plus variable pay of 700 per working day. Selection process. The candidates will be selected based on the walk-in interview performance. Dates for walk-in interview are LPG operator on March 1st, drilling operator is 8th March, drilling or workover mechanics walk-in interview date is 15th March 2021. How to apply? Interested candidates can come with the relevant documents to the walk-in interview venue on the dates mentioned in the advertisement. For detailed advertisement, please visit their link as shown on screen or see the advertisement as shown on screen. Next is some last date of government jobs already informed in previous videos. Junior engineering trainee mechanical engineer at Tehri Hydro Development Corporation THDC's last date is 28th February 2021. Supervisor Solar Power System at Solar Energy Corporation of India SCCA's last date is 9 March 2021. I will provide last video link on my description. Before going to next session, let us see something about Unacademy. Legends of GATE and ESE now on Unacademy. The top educators in GATE and ESE having joined Unacademy having more than 20 years of experience. Ravindra Babu sir has cleared GATE and ESE and did his masters from IISc Bangalore. Subra Reddy sir did his masters from IIT Bombay, and Vishnu sir, one of the top educators with 20 plus years of relevant experience. Join their special classes and batches, link is in description. These educators are back with informative batches that will help you crack GATE or ESE examination. Unacademy starting its new batches, namely Ascent for GATE 2023, Evolve for GATE 2022, and Mission DDR for GATE 2022 batch. Enroll today and get 10% off on all Unacademy subscription. For availing this discount, please use my code MECH10, MECH10. Next is private jobs. In private job, first one is trainee operating engineer at KSPG Automotive India Private Limited, Pune. KSPG Automotive India Private Limited is a fully owned subsidiary of German multinational company Piersberg, having employee strength over 2,200 worldwide, specialized in the field of emission reduction, air supply and emission control, and electric, mechanical, water pumps, vacuum pumps, and oil pumps. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Salary is not disclosed by the employer. Roles and responsibilities require trainee operating engineer for shop floor, experience in working on assembly line, desired candidate profile. Qualification is diploma in mechanical engineering 2019-20 pass out. Role is diploma engineer trainee. Industry type is automobile. Function area is production manufacturing. It's a full-time permanent job. Industry candidate can apply through the website as shown on screen. Next is diploma mechanical engineer at Hyundai Transys Lear Automotive India Private Limited, Chennai. Hyundai Transys Lear Automotive Private Limited is an auto parts system manufacturer. Hyundai Dynamos and Hyundai PowerTech, the two leading automotive components manufacturers of powertrains and seats, merged to form Hyundai Transys with the goal of leading the future in the mobility industry. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Salary is not disclosed by the employer. Roles and responsibilities: diploma trainee for a new project production. Role is diploma engineer trainee. Industry type is automobile. So production manufacturing is function areas. Full-time permanent job. Industry candidate can apply through their website as shown on screen. Next is production engineer at Anindita Toy Company, Pune. Anindita Toys is a young growth-oriented company with a vision to offer innovative toys which will be delight children across the world. We have a current portfolio of 7 attractive products lines and a full-fledged manufacturing facility for making non-toxic, child-safe, eco-friendly wooden toys. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Salary is not disclosed by the employer. Desired candidate profile: technical or engineering, diploma mechanical or production, candidates with 1 year of experience and self-initiative for work, good knowledge of machines and manufacturing process, etc. Role is production engineer. Industry type is toy manufacturing. Function area is production manufacturing. It's a full-time permanent job. Industry candidates can send their resume to the mail ID as shown on screen. Next is junior operator production at Cipla Limited. Cipla Limited is an Indian multinational pharmaceutical company headquartered in Mumbai, India. It was founded by Khwaja Abdul Hamid as the Chemical, Industrial and Pharmaceutical Laboratories in 1935. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 2 years. Salary not disclosed by the employer. Job location is Goa. Execute the production operation in line with the safety and GMP requirements to meet the manufacturing targets and ship. Accountabilities: operate the equipment efficiently without error and deviation as per SOP to meet ship targets. Provide suggestions for optimization of process to manufacture quality product. Execute and update online documentation to meet GMP requirements. Role is junior operator production. Industry type is pharmaceutical. Job reference ID is 42357. Full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can view detailed advertisement and can apply through online by using the website as shown on screen and find the job against requisition ID or can apply through the direct line as shown on screen. That's all for private job. Next is apprenticeship training. In apprenticeship training, first one is technician apprentice training is at Madras Fertilizers Limited, Chennai. Madras Fertilizers Limited is a public sector undertaking company in India under administrative control of the Department of Fertilizers, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. MFL is engaged in the manufacture of ammonia, urea, complex fertilizers and biofertilizers, etc. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Candidates who have passed in the year of 2018, 19, 2020 are only eligible to apply. Age limit is 25. Stipend offered as 17,000 per month. How to apply? Industry eligible candidates must register themselves in the portal of National Apprenticeship Training Scheme of MHRD as shown on screen. In the portal, candidates should search with the establishment name Madras Fertilizers Limited and then apply on or before 1st March 2021. Next is some state government apprenticeship training. State government apprenticeship training can be applied by respective state government students only. First one is technician apprentice at Satluj Vidyut Nigam Limited, Himachal Pradesh. Number of posts are 12. Age limit is 30. Stipend offered are 8,000. Last date for online applications 15 March 2021. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Next is technician diploma apprentice at Tamil Nadu Motor Vehicle Maintenance Department. Number of posts are 61. Stipend offered are 3,542. Last date for online applications 1 March 2021. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Next is some last date of apprenticeship training already informed in previous video. Technician apprentice mechanical at Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Eastern Regions, last date is 26th February 2021. Diploma apprentice at trainees at Proof and Experimental Establishment Chandipur, DRDO's last date is 27th February 2021. For the next government and private jobs for diploma mechanical video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.